Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Find the loose string ends and the channel opening. Don't waste time. Thread a safety pin or a small paper clip through the pin head, attach the string, and push it into the channel. Keep the other end secured with a binder clip so it won't disappear. This saves minutes. Move steadily, feeding the tool forward while bunching fabric lightly ahead of it. You're creating a clear path. Once the pin exits the opposite side, don't pull hard yet. Make sure both ends are accessible. Now continue by feeding the tool with short, confident pushes. You'll feel resistance at curves or seams. Pause and smooth the fabric as you go. Rotate the safety pin tip to ease bends and keep tension gentle so the string doesn't bunch inside. Once done pushing forward, pull a few centimeters through, then repeat. Advance, smooth, pull. This alternating motion prevents knots and keeps the string centered. If you hit a jam, back out a bit and try a different angle. You're finishing. Pull the string until both sides are even, then set your preferred tail length and tie a secure knot on each end or add plastic tips to prevent fraying. Make sure the knot is tight and trim excess if needed. Once done, test by tugging gently to confirm it stays. If the string slips back in, use a tiny safety pin or a looped stitch inside the channel to anchor it. Once anchored, retest. This final step locks in your fix and avoids repeat work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.